I actually had a case recently where my client was on a motorcycle and was rear-ended and suffered some pretty serious injuries. It was a car versus motorcycle claim. And the question was, the client asked me, he said, what do you think the value of this claim is? Of course, we're going to have to understand the insurance picture first. That's going to be paramount. We want to be able to find a basis of recovery for your injuries. And depending on what we find in terms of the ability to pay for your injuries, we're going to have to work up the way in which this accident has affected you. You probably want to get back on your bike. You probably want to get your bike fixed and get back on the road. And that's understandable. But before we do that, we want to get you healthy first. And unfortunately, because of the forces that are at play in a motor vehicle versus a motorcycle, people can be pretty severely hurt. They can have traumatic brain injury. They can have all kinds of injury to their spine, from their neck all the way down their back, and of course every other part of their body. So we want to understand that first, and when we figure that out, that's going to tell us what the value of the claim is. We want to get value for payment of all your medical bills, payment for all your future medical care, and compensation for any way in which this accident has limited you in the future, including emotional pain and suffering. Lost wages also. All those are going to be the factors that we examine to determine the value of your motorcycle injury claim.